Hello CS50. We are Muhammad Ali and Abdurrahman Salah, and this is our project for the course, the Password Manager, a secure solution for managing your passwords. In this video, we will make a walkthrough all over the project and its features. Now let's do a live sample together. To run our program, just write in the terminal python project.py. The Password Manager offers 4 key functions to help you manage your passwords efficiently. 1. Add a password. Safely store your passwords by associating them with your email accounts. Our manager ensures your passwords meet the required security level. 2. Retrieve a password. Never worry about forgetting a password again. Simply enter the associated email account, and our manager will provide you with the stored password. Update a password. Stay proactive in enhancing your online security. Update your existing password with new strong ones to keep your accounts protected. 4. Delete all accounts. Quickly access a list of all your email accounts stored in the manager. Keep track of your digital presence and ensure all accounts are properly managed.
Okay, as for the testing of our project, we will start by validating the email format and see if it matches with our regular expression. It should be name@domainname.com. Next, we will check for the strength of our password. If a password is too weak, it should give us weak. A strong password should give us strong. A very strong password should give us a diamond. And if a password does not meet any of our regular expressions, it should give us unknown. This function mainly tests the validity of the password and its strength, so no need to describe it. Then we should test if we can add successfully a password to an account. This is mainly a test to check if we can add this password to this account. And we should also check if a password is invalid, so we can't add an invalid password to an account. Next, this function tests if we can retrieve a password that's already added to an account. If the account have a password, so it will return it, and if the account does not have a password, it will not. So it says no password found for our account. Next, we can check if we can successfully update a password for a account. If the password is valid, it will update successfully, and if a password is not valid, it should give us invalid password. And finally, this function mainly returns the list of all available accounts in our program. This was the testing of our project. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay safe with our password manager.